Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. Buitenbeentje. You guys are here for a fabric haul. I got a gift card and I spent it all at Textielstad. This is all that I got. And let me tell you, the speed of the fabrics that are coming in is not equal to the speed in which I am making projects. So I need to chill. I really do. First up is this fabric right here. This is a brush cotton tricot. The color is Oker, so Oker yellow. I bought 1.60 meters. You probably have already seen this fabric in a previous video because I am planning to make this dress, which is the knit mode dress from a magazine of September 2013, and oh, I have enough to make it. I'm excited. I'm so excited. The next fabric that I got is this fabric right here. I got it in two colorways. There's a story behind it, but this is the Brique. Oh, no, this is the Brique color, and this is the terra color. The terra color kind of looks like mauve. It is a jersey cable fabric. So a cable has some structure, like really sweater type of fabric. And I bought 1.40 meters because I'm going to make a sweater with it. The fact that I have two colorways is because the sample that I bought of these came with this fabric as the called as the terra, or at least noted as a terra, but it is the Brique. And so when I got this fabric, I chose this fabric, which is a jersey rib, and I bought 1 meter of this because I thought it would be a nice pencil skirt, maybe with a split in the front, together with this Brique color, like really go for a monochromatic look. And then the last fabric that I have is this velvet red. Oh yes, it does. Yeah, so it's a plain jersey velvet deep red. Oh, it is so soft. It is so beautiful. So rich. I bought this so I can partake in a little red dress project. If you just Google it, if you Google it or search for it on YouTube, you will find from the previous years, you'll find all types of beautiful, beautiful, beautiful little red dresses. And I'm finally convinced, and I'm finally trying. I have an issue with the color red as something to wear. It's really outside of my comfort zone. I can wear red lipstick, I could wear a red shoe, but a red dress? So I'm going to try. I'm stepping out of my comfort zone and I'm going to try. And that is the fabric haul. There's going to be another fabric haul. Yes. But this time I shopped my friend's stash and so it's kind of justifiable, but not really. And after that, we're going to take a chill pill. Yes. As always, I enjoy making this video. I hope you enjoy watching. Don't be afraid to comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hey. You have a great, great day. Bye.